Hey everyone, welcome to Hyperfest 2024. I'm Blaine with Ridetech, and I'm standing in front of our 1985 four-eyed Fox Body Mustang. Ridetech's out here, and we're excited to be at VIR. VIR is a wonderful facility. It's a track that opened up back in 1957, and this is our third year out here. What we've got behind us is our 1985 four-eyed Mustang, Fox Body here, and it's rocking our brand new SLA suspension and independent rear suspension cradle. It's also rocking an RY45 engine, Roush Yates built, I think 358 cubic inches, and it makes about 800 horsepower. So we're out here this weekend kind of dialing this car in. It's the first time it's actually been out at an event. We've been working away back at the shop, getting it ready to go. Been working with the tuning this weekend a little bit, and looking forward to seeing what it's able to do out on track tomorrow, weather permitting. Here we are kind of late in the day on Friday afternoon. It's just been kind of one thing after another, getting things going. We just linked up with Nick at Hyperfest again, and we had a new set of plugs put in, and that allowed the car to start right up. So now we're kind of fine-tuning a couple other things. We've not got an opportunity to get back out on track today, so we're hoping that we'll be able to get out tomorrow morning during one of the first HPDE sessions. We're back out here. It's Saturday morning here at Hyperfest. We had a lot of rain last night, but thankfully the forecast is looking favorable today. We just went down to Tech. They got us for a couple of things. We needed to get some foam padding for the door bar on the driver's side, and then our brake lights aren't working at the moment. So the guys are messing with that at the moment. We should have that squared away here in no time. Tech's over at 10, so we got to be up there before then. And I believe our first session in HPDE 4 is 10:30, so we're looking forward to getting out on track. Status update. Things are going well. We've got to actually get on track twice today. We made Tech earlier, did our first run, got flagged for a leakage, pulled it back in. We've been looking for that. The second time we went out, we had a bit of a fueling system issue as well, which caused us to come off track on the inside of turn 2 or turn 3. So we're addressing that, and we look forward to get back on track at 3:20, our last session for the day. All right, Ridetech Nation, so we're at the end of the day here at Hyperfest Day 2. We've had a pretty hectic day, I would say.
To say the least.
Aaron's been driving the cars. Aaron, how are things in the office today?
You know, it started out not that great, but as the day progressed, we made some changes, got some things fixed, and we made some laps, finally.
Yeah, consecutive laps.
And it's feeling good. It's
awesome.
fast, the motor's strong. I'm excited to see what happens next.
All right, so that pretty much wraps us up for today. We're looking forward to hitting the track tomorrow for a couple of sessions. We got a couple more things to work out with the car. Like we said, this is a fresh build, and we're approaching things slowly, ramping it up to hopefully be able to go 10/10ths. We'll see how things develop tomorrow. But thanks for checking in with us. We'll see you tomorrow on Day 3. right, Ridetech Nation, it's day 3 out at Hyperfest. We're getting ready to go back out on track for our final HPDE session. Yesterday was awesome. We got some track time. We came away from that learning a few things about the car. We've made some adjustments since then as well. Changed some brake pads, some suspension settings as well, and we're about to go back out. All right, so we just finished up with our track run on day 3 here at Hyperfest, and wanted to just get a little bit of a synopsis of how it went. How did it feel out there?
Today was a huge improvement over the entire weekend. Obviously, we were struggling with all kinds of different issues. We worked through all that, late nights every night, including last night. Got it to where it is today. It ran the whole session. Still needs a few tweaks. The motor is very strong, everything's running good, and I am pleased at where we're at right now.
Yeah, as far as suspension-wise right now, looking at changing the alignment some, adjusting spring rate as well. We probably need some extra poundage in the front. It's diving somewhat.
It is diving. It's got an 800-pound spring on it now. We're thinking about going 1,000 on that. Doing some camber and caster adjustments front and rear, probably lowering the rear a little bit to match the front. Some brake bias issues also that we're working through right now, but other than that, yeah, it's just some minor tweaks and I think we'll be good.
Awesome. We're going to get back to the shop and start working on all that. This car right now is in primer, so we're going to get it painted. And then we're working on a vinyl wrap as well, but you're going to have to wait to see what that looks like when we do the final reveal. So stay tuned on social media. Check us out at Ridetech Suspension on Instagram, and we'll see you guys later.
See you at a track near you.